Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a while since I've done a motorcycle video, but just wanted to get some of the vacation videos out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed them. But today we're going to be talking about tech spec versus the Stompgrips. I've always been a fan of Stompgrips. It's a matter of opinion which one you think is better. I personally like Stompgrips. The only reason I've had tech spec on my 2020 Street Triple RS is because when I first got the bike, Stompgrips weren't available and I was trying to save some money. But we'll go over some of the features in case you're still trying to decide which one you want. So here we have the Stompgrips. They have the little volcano spots, which is my favorite. I know some people claim that they've ripped your jeans up, but I've had them on my R1 and Panigale, and I've had them on a few different bikes, never had an issue. So I prefer Stompgrips myself. And if you've never seen the tech spec ones, and we'll go over those. They're currently on the bike. Just taking one out so you can see what it looks like. But if you can see it, it's like mini volcanoes, and they kind of grip your pants or your leather pants that you wear when you're riding. They stick really good to them. That's why I like it. Like the tech spec works. I just feel I like the grippiness of the Stompgrips. And here's the tech spec ones. You see how they have the little lines. It's like diamond shape, really. And it says tech spec right there. And the tech spec comes with the tank protector in the middle, which Stompgrips don't. That's the only downside to it. But I'm putting a official Triumph tank pad. So yeah, so here's what it looks like. Both sides. They do wear out after a while. I mean, these ain't that worn out, but I finally saw the Stompgrips on one of those. And I'm going with the official Triumph tank pad in order to protect the front of the tank from zipper or anything from the button of your pants. But this one's a tank pad for the Speed Triple, but I like it more than the Street Triple one because it's wider. I mean, it's not that much wider, but it's enough that provides more protection. Pretty easy to install it. It's got the 3M double-sided tape, and you obviously got a alcohol wipe to wipe down the tank so you can stick it, and it sticks and clings to the tank very well. It doesn't uncling or unstick. But we'll take out all the rest of the Stompgrip pads. You can see them. Those are this one over. So the ones to the bottom of the tank. There's one for the left, one for the right, and then you got a Stompgrip sticker. I don't personally put stickers on Triumphs. They're too beautiful to put stickers all over. You can do for sport bikes. Well, let's start installing them. Pretty easy. Or start to spin them off. The reason I'm taking them off is because they're, yeah, if you notice, there's parts on there that weren't really gripping. If you see, look at this. I can feel them sliding and moving. Yeah, see, they weren't really gripping that well. They're starting to get a lot, like they're only gripping right in the middle. The edges were coming apart. So this is why I've always preferred Stompgrips. I've never had an issue with any of it unsticking. Yeah, I think the only part of the Stompgrip that has been sticking well is the tank protector. Yeah, this one's pretty stuck on there. But I'm gonna take it off. Then we're gonna put all new stuff. All right, now we're gonna clean it up. Just using soap and water. I'm gonna do the alcohol wipes. It looks so different with everything removed. But so get the alcohol wipes and start installing them. So weird how long they are. So big ass area they're covering. That's what it looks like on that side. Right here, this diamond part. This is where the small part goes. You put it right here in the middle. Here you go. So you see the difference between this tech spec, the different coverage. So it protects a lot more of your knees, or I mean of the tank. Your knees are on it. So that's what it looks like when it's the Stompgrips. Get all that debris out. Try to get down as close to the bottom and in the middle as you can. You could also get a heat gun and heat up the tank so it sticks better. It's sticking pretty good. Alright, tank pad's all installed. Alright guys, there you have it. Pretty simple install, and it protects the bottom of your tank from your pants and any other types of pants you wear, or even if you wear shorts, which I don't, but so you don't scratch up your baby. Alright, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in a future video.